Hey everyone, Randy Dawn and Marathon Coach. We are here at Hearthside Grove
Yeah.
on a beautiful. I know you probably get sick of me saying that when we're up here. It is. It's blue skies and sunshine, 70 some degrees. Just sitting outside, Coach 1265, which we've shown you, and we'll show you a little bit more of. But just kind of got settled in, got our patio furniture out here at Hearthside Grove. We're on lot 6, so if you're up in the area, you're welcome to just come into the resorts through the gate, and we're right to the left. Right now we just have one coach here. Hopefully soon we'll have a couple more, which will all be 4, 5, and 6 on the lots up here. So super excited. Met some great people already. Only been here 2 days and have had a lot of people come through the coach, and looking forward to a good season.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful up here. There's events planned. And speaking of that, we'll be having our event up here on July 17th, which is a Saturday. We'll have a live band, food, everything under the tent and around the pool.
Yeah.
And we'll have the 3 coaches up here for sure for you to look at and explore and see what they're all about.
Yeah,
So,
and the beautiful thing is when you come here, you'll see that our lots are right across from the clubhouse and across from the field that we'll have our big tent set up. I think we got a band coming from Detroit, so it's going to
all
be a lot
coming
of fun.
together.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
We got some of our people from Oregon coming,
yes.
so you can meet.
Yeah, we always love that.
You can meet them. So
Yeah.
we always love to bring them to Michigan and show them what a beautiful state we have here. So
Yeah. There's a lot of changes going on here at
a
Hearthside.
lot of changes.
A lot
Wow.
of people updating their lots, adding pergolas, outdoor kitchens, a lot of activity.
Yeah, someone
as
said
far as
there's
that
more
goes.
construction trucks than coaches right now.
Yeah, it's a little early in the season, but they're trickling in.
They
so
are.
it's beginning.
Yeah, and it's exciting to see all the improvements going on.
Yeah.
Super excited. It's just making this park even more
Appealing.
appealing. Yeah.
Yeah.
So would love to see you, whether you come here to stay, just stop by for a couple hours and see us. Last year we had several people just come and visit us up here while they were going through to the bridge or whatever. So look us up, reach out to Dawn or I. And like I said, we still have some new coaches on the ground. 1332 quad slide. We have 1325, which is an X.
Yep.
And we have this beautiful 18 quad slide, which you really need to see in person. So many people, or a few people have come by the last few days and said, wow, this looks so different in person.
It's one of those.
Yeah, it is one of those. So feel free to reach out and come see us, and keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.
Here we are with Coach 1265. It's a 2018 quad slide. You can see how pretty the colors are in the sun. Let's go on in and see what Randy's up to. Oh, he's got the music going. We'll surprise him. Oh, you're having lunch.
Caught me.
So here's 1265. Just as a little reminder, this is the one we'll be staying in until she is sold. Beautiful, beautiful coach. We'll just take you quickly to the back. All right. Mid-half bath or full bath here with the shower across. And then the back bedroom with a bath in the back as well. So this green space right across from us is where we'll be holding the event. And you can see through some of those trees, the pool, and then there is the North Clubhouse. So that is where we'll be, right at the front entrance. We'd love it if you'd stop in and see us if you're in the area.